Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in the SimpliSafe key fob. They tell you it's not replaceable, but it actually is. And I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you're going to need is a replacement battery. This takes one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these on Amazon. And I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. And a small flat tip screwdriver. Honestly, the more slender the tip is, the better. But you do want it to be strong because you're going to be prying some plastic that I don't think is meant to be pried. So I've done this before, so it's easy. But as you're doing this, this is going to feel like it doesn't want to come apart because I don't think it's meant to come apart. But essentially, just put your screwdriver in here or on this back side here, and just pry these. There's little tabs. Let me get a good picture here. There's these little tabs that are extremely delicate right there. So your battery's in there, and you don't want to open this thing all the way up. You just want to open it about like that much on both sides. Just so much that you can push this battery out like this. And the orientation is positive side facing upward. Okay, there's the battery. Now, in here, there's a little spring. Extremely hard to see, but there is a spring right here. You want to make sure that is on the negative side of the battery when you replace this. So when you put it back in, you want to put it in just like that. Just slide that in. It's going to have a little slot. Snap that back together. Let's go ahead and test this. And we're back in business. So that's how you replace the battery. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.